How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about will laser eye surgery fix a lazy eye? So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please click the bell notification button so you guys get all my newest videos. So laser eye surgery, I actually had laser eye surgery myself. I got it when I was about, I believe I was 19. I'm 28 now. I've had it for 9 years. The best thing in the world, hands down. Not having to deal with contacts, not wearing glasses, none of that. I literally get up in the morning, go to bed. I get up in the morning, everything's good. And when I go to bed, everything's good. Don't have to deal with any contacts, nothing. I love it. But will it work to fix a lazy eye? There are probably procedures, surgeries that you can do for getting rid of a lazy eye, but laser eye surgery is, when someone says laser eye surgery, they mean correcting your vision, usually. But I'm sure there is some sort of laser eye that does fix a lazy eye itself. But usually when people say, oh, I got laser eye surgery done, they're usually referring to correcting their vision from either nearsightedness or to farsightedness. Correcting the nearsightedness or the farsightedness. So I'm sure there are surgery procedures to fixing a lazy eye. The thing that I would do before you do any surgery, before you do any procedure, is literally try a couple of different exercises. I learned these because I had a friend, he had a lazy eye. I asked, how did you get rid of it? And he said he went to his eye doctor and they actually gave him a couple of different exercises to do. The main exercise is going to be literally getting an eye patch. If you don't have an eye patch, that's fine. Get your hand and you're going to cover it over the eye that is not lazy. So if your right eye is the dominant one and this is the lazy eye, you're going to cover the good eye. The reason for this is because you want the lazy eye to have to do all the looking. This is going to strengthen it. What you can do on top of that is while this eye is covered, you can do word searches. Word searches are amazing for fixing lazy eyes. The next thing that you can do is just getting a finger and moving it from side to side. A pen works really good. What you're supposed to do is get a pen, move it side to side, and just watch the very tip of the pen. So this is like a focus exercise, and you're focusing on that with your eye covered. So you would go like this. This helps to fix a lazy eye, you guys. So personally, that's what I would do. And if you don't have the eye patches are cheap. They're like $4 or $5. If you don't have that, literally just get your hand and just cover your eye and do the exercises. In the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell notification button so you guys get all my newest vids.